Let's be honest, winter POTA activations don't fail because of radios. They fail because, your hands stop working. Today, I'm testing something simple that can make or break cold weather activations. Hand warmers, specifically the Ocoopa hand warmers, and whether or not they are going to earn a rightful spot in my POTA kit. These are rechargeable electronic hand warmers. Not disposable, not single use, and not something you have to shake like a science experiment. Here's where these matter for POTA. Cold hands slow everything down. Tuning, logging, CW, even just hitting the right buttons or mounting your antenna. I don't care how good your propagation is. If your fingers don't work, your activation's over in my book. So I usually keep one in my pocket and the other one rotating between my gloves. 10 minutes later, I got some full dexterity in my fingertips and I can continue to play and make contacts. That means no extra system. It integrates cleanly into a POTA power plan and gets me up and operational super quick. For some of the pros, you got fast heat, reusable, small footprint, and it's quiet. Cons, for me, another thing to remember to charge, and it can be too warm on high without a set of gloves. This isn't a gimmick. It's a comfort item that helps improve performance. This is cheap insurance against a failed activation. Got a little POTA challenge time for you. What is the coldest temperature you successfully activated a park at? And what failed first? Was the radio, your battery, or was it your hands? Let me know in the comments. Bonus points if you powered through it. If you want more real-world gear tests for POTA, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the park. I'm Eric, N1JUR, and POTA on.